I say we get guests today for Inside the Show. Now two of them.
I don't know.
Two of them. Okay, when I don't think happen, we're not going to show now who be the they already show now with the guests.
No, we been once say no na came out for don't say me play something of last time.
And I know what's happening. Play Taxi Driver for us. Make we watch the Taxi Driver.
Taxi.
Okwachewo. Make we watch and then we not go understand where the G's come from. Those of them when they say there, some of them don't get the G's, but some of them will never get the G's. You never cheat and cheat. You go cheat now. Oh, see the. When I come back, when I don't see my master, I shall walk go fit you. Sorry. I didn't just say that, did I?
You talking?
No, based on the film.
No, based on the.
How you take you don't do the work before? No, I just the eyes. They cut eye.
Okay, this yellow hair is not only for the film.
It's not only for the film.
I can't hear the yellow hair before. I see.
Anyway,
Nedu.
I'm not.
I don't know. This yellow hair. Make it say I want to turn it to a
Hey!
Say when you drink Starby, that thing, that foam.
That fool with the cover.
Anyway, join us. Welcome Daniel Emeke and Ijeoma Oriahi for Inside the Studio. Daniel Emeke, we full discussed last week. I've been at last week.
If you if to say you been there that time when we get Daniel for sure. Daniel, they talk that time, say, oh my God, say where in see IJ, my God. He said, wow.
Okay, you know nothing will happen.
He say in do one film, only she be 5 people.
Now what will be the name of now which
now
film?
Now don't quiet. Now they do like they form like
Leave him.
We know you. They know you.
More than the thing where they there. This guy,
yes,
now director for a movie.
Yes, film.
For film. He can't employ this tomato. Make he act for him.
Yes.
So when the guy don't act, they say, oh no, I can't let you go. You can't marry him. They two don't marry now.
No. If you say, look into my eyes,
I will make you a star.
A what?
A star.
A what?
A star.
Nothing tell me.
That one. We work spiritually. We know what we do.
We know this.
But wait. When he tell you say I will make you a star.
Even the time when the man tell us say, I don't got the money to pay you. She still said, don't worry.
Yes, but wait, that time when he be say, which movie be that one again?
Misfit.
The only thing that happened, Mo could watch clip from that, Mo watch something from that Misfit, so that when I go know where this man love begin start from.
Now turn around maintenance.
Turn around maintenance from Mo watch how Jesus not there yet. Now how many years? Like 3 years ago now?
Yes.
2013.
Now you sit down here, that time they watch it, say it's very, very long time ago.
Talk.
Now we can say very long time ago, be waiting 3 years ago, be very long time ago.
It's me no be like say we dey gossip and then they here. Talk, wetin happen?
Wetin happen?
For the movie after now, you
came off. Now we just show some clip of what
came off. Now for show some clip,
because now so they form. You know, say he's just doing as though.
Now they form.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, wait.
No,
Now the first movie where you employ Ijeoma be that abi?
No, actually. We do short film together. That was 2010. I thought our last time.
So all the way.
2010.
Which short film when I do?
My first Valentine.
My first Valentine.
Hey.
I got as in. Hey! So you remember the title?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
My brother, why she not gonna remember? This girl don't plan you they come baby. She don't set her trap. You think that see, my brother, make I tell you. All those times where she go waka, bend down, pick something. You think that she not know what she did? Do mercy.
Like, director, do you need me for? Okay. Bye.
Wow.
Hey, my God, I go pray. Jesus is Lord.
2010, 6 years ago.
My brother, she know your mumu button.
Abuela.
She not only press and she match am. She sit down, spread leg on your mumu button.
Wella.
But now when you begin to say, I feel marry this girl.
That was.
No, you go village, then tell and say, if you dey put this girl for film, you go dey blow.
Now you talk that.
No, we know these things.
But me, I don't already. Before I do Misfits, when I see when she perform for stage, I talk on last time. I don't know how they bring it off my mouth.
No, talk it so we know that it's the same thing.
Okay, so
I just want to hear it.
You want to hear?
Yeah.
They go soon do film again.
They go soon do film. Because they call them love, they shock me.
Part one.
Our phone numbers go there on TV. Make una begin the call us to 24 talk to Daniel and
Don't worry. Next month be Valentine. They go redo their face Valentine.
Talk the gist.
So I be try look for who go play the lead girl for Misfits. So person can give me ticket, ma go watch one theater program like that where she be the only actor.
Which I will say she act 5 people.
Yeah, she act 5 or 6?
8.
Only you want.
Yes,
My
yes.
son, I even spirit the warrior.
So the thing, as in
Legion.
as in all of us, as in everybody for where we dey watch them, we were all mind blown. You understand? So me, I just know say Anna the person be this.
Where you want marry? So anybody? So wait now. So
You know when this way you don't put for my mouth.
Wait, I follow that place when they perform.
So you follow there?
I follow there. Everybody, it's not only him. A lot of people there.
So wait.
Help me ask her. She, when they come meet, say, I want to turn you into a superstar.
My sister,
Yeah.
if you remember that play,
Yeah.
if you do something, just something from that play. When we see what he see. No, just do something. Cry. Just I beg, nothing. Because I want to know what in this guy see.
No, it's not one. You ask them to do one. You don't know which one. Ask them first. Which one of that?
Okay,
8
which
people?
one of the character you like?
I know if you remember now. I know if you remember.
If you do all of them together, just do one quick. I beg, just do one now. Small.
Just
small.
try now. Try. Do it for your bobo now. Do it.
We got love for
Nedu, they come. Baba me.
Baba me.
Baba me.
No. The movie, watch out. What's the name of the movie? Do it for your Baba. Oh yeah.
Oh my God, I'm trying to remember.
Do it exactly like that. Hey, don't press his shoulder. Hey, we got love. We do got
Love is sweet. Now no jealous.
It could be. Yeah.
Oh yeah, now try now.
Oh, Magnet, where thou?
Now you make me forget what everyone.
Sorry.
I lost my voice. I don't laugh tired.
Ije, baby. Sorry. Off light.
Time is going, oh.
Don't take me out of my zone.
Please, director.
But I feel not on why. Why must the gods ask for my children? Why I feel not on why? This is my only child. Talk to the gods for me. Offer them a sacrifice, cow, pigs, cattle, whatever they may ask upon us. Child, I feel not on. You're the one who speaks to these gods. You know what they want. Tell them not to take my child. Please don't make me.
My sister, you are too much. You forgot to tell us. We forgot to sit down there like this.
Wisdom from Banana Island. Good evening.
Where you they talk to? Please don't take my child.
Hey, Wisdom. Hello, Wisdom.
Wisdom
No,
and
this guy banana not ripe. In banana.
A short banana.
Nedu, I love your show. I've been trying to call you from Israel. It's not going.
From Italy. Good evening.
Yeah.
Italy. I've been away. Hello.
A blessing from Italy.
Blessing from Italy.
Italo? Oh.
Italo. Sorry, if we call him Italo, now another thing he be now. It go be like saying Ijeoma people. Sorry, it go be like say blessing. Blessing.
This one they call for.
Call us back. Call us back. And you were hello Nedu, I love your show and I have been trying to call from Israel and it's not going. My name is Efosa from Israel. Israel 2 times. Efosa, thank you very much. Say you love us. May they try call and therefore work.
Yours
try.
Yours keep trying. One day. You see what's in this cage? Maybe for quick tell us. We for yours they help and they shake this thing. Then when they talk, he say, please, my child. He say, Please don't take my child. He say, So now let no quick tell us.
You know, see as he tell you finish, then they go hug her.
You know, see, they do that. You now understand.
Let me say, if Daniel they vex for house, she just enter character.
Just.
Why do you want my child? Daniel will just say, stop it,
Very
dramatic.
Very dramatic.
So now that play, now just make you just see him, say, man, now this girl I want marry.
Not really.
Not really.
Okay.
But from a very professional point of view, I just know say, this girl sabi work.
Okay.
Now
when come be the emotional point of view.
Sabi work professionally.
The emotional
as an
point of view.
actress, actor.
We don't quarrel.
We not be fighting. Now the same thing with the talk. We dey try talk say how when come be the emotional point of view.
After we shoot Misfit.
After I shoot Misfit.
After we finish Misfit.
What be the thing where she do for Misfit will make you your eye
just
bob just like for your eye emotionally.
No, just the way she you know, the way she just carried the role, the way she just the person where she be, you know.
You know say you know I think of how I think say happen. All right. You know say when music artists shoot music video finish, some of the girls will go one tell the artist, please can you drop us? Then because no problem, all of you enter.
Oh my God, Nedu, that's what happened.
I dare you, Chabi.
Nedu, make I tell you anything.
My give me juice.
So my car, I used to drive the Murano then. My car can't spoil for set. So as we finish, can't they go house? My car can stop for road. Now I can't go meet her for my car. Say, can you drop me, please?
There you go.
So wait, he been there behind you or what?
I was driving your car now.
Yeah, and then it stopped.
Wait.
No, because it
You don't mix them up now. You are confusing the audience. You are confusing the viewers. You are messing everything up.
Somebody was driving his car.
Wait first. Convoy. Hello, good evening. That's a Misfit story. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Freeman, how is you?
Hey, Oga Nedu.
Afana.
Good evening, Baba. Man, that girl with your side, she too much.
She too much. I be you said feel the thing where that is feel.
Freeman, thank you so much.
Easy bit, no feel act like I'm at all.
No.
Where you go?
Katim with my body.
I get a camilla free man. Some of you, I may get a camilla do me. I don't get both from Bado, they're singing mommy about when I'm with them.
Hey, I don't know.
I don't know, maybe I'll be.
Indian body, you know.
Say media now.
Indian body, no,
Say media.
Media fan.
That is it. But they are fan you fufu. The thing would have them.
Your program is very nice.
Thank you so much.
Fufu.
Thank you. Blessing from Italy. Don't call back again. Good evening.
Good evening.
How is you? Why your good evening can't change? Good evening.
Daniel, don't marry you.
Daniel, don't marry you.
Are you there?
Hey! Hey!
Blessing.
He's there. Blessing.
Oh God, let me talk now.
We know the holy one.
Good evening, Katim.
Evening, Blessing.
Good evening, my husband, Ijeoma.
Good evening, Blessing. Good evening.
Nice movie. I love that movie just now.
You love which movie?
Which movie? Which one?
Which do I wanna show just now?
Okay, I think that's the one where you see here.
Which one are they see for? They don't be the one I show now. I now be at the talk.
It's not current now.
Bye-bye.
With the quarter.
Blessing, you don't sell today for shop?
Okay, bye-bye.
No, I'm not saying today at the vest today. Because my auntie calls me today.
Your auntie do it.
My auntie slapped me today.
What do you do?
What do you do?
Now, what just happened? I do one mistake.
You follow boy?
That is a no boy where they your corner.
What do you do?
Me a customer they talk. He say I know the serious my business. I dey talk with
the customer na man or woman customer?
Wait, the customer na man or woman?
Man.
Bye-bye, don't worry. I rest my case, my love. No further questions.
It's okay.
You can go. Good
No
night.
further question your honor. It's okay.
Bye-bye. Now, you dey talk, continue. Motor can't spoil. Now, your story I want here.
As far as it can't spoil now, I can't look and lovingly.
Wait, lovingly. So he said there be no program. I'm in.
So you seduced me. You seduced me. Oh my God.
Nedu, this news director don't even know.
Oh, what a
My
shame.
God.
My brother, you don't know what you they work with that
I'm telling you.
You don't know.
I'm telling you.
It is an end in charge, you know what I'm saying?
My sister top 5. They don't know. They don't
From
know.
Banana Island, good evening.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Hello,
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Talk to us, wisdom.
Nedu, good evening.
Good evening, wisdom.
Which part of
Good evening.
I bet which part of Banana Island? Now for the beginning, I've been now for the end. I've been now for the middle.
I want to ask you, where did they always come to find for our gate?
For your gate.
Which
Yes,
one?
Nedu. If you want to marry my sister, why you know they show up? They always stand for gate.
Okay, no wonder. Now that your house with a pass, that big you.
Oh, pass that boy spot, Abi.
When they the end.
I don't tell you. Next time, when my uncle catch you, he go shoot you.
Okay, your uncle. That is true because in the day big you. So
They beat you.
your uncle know the 2 days.
Your
You
uncle
think we
know
don't
the-
know your uncle?
Hello. Bye-bye. That man, I wonder the kind of banana where they come. Even at small, but you know the banana day. You that short red banana.
That's it, madam.
That kind of banana island.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.